Hi, I'm Josh Searle, Product Manager here at Loveland Innovations. Today we're talking about an important change coming to the drone industry, remote ID. The FAA has implemented new regulations requiring most drones operating in the U.S. airspace to be equipped with remote ID technology. This is the biggest change since the FAA started issuing Part 107 licenses for commercial drone usage. Remote ID is a system that provides identification and location information that can be received by other parties. This includes the drone's identity, location, altitude, speed, takeoff location, and emergency status. All drone pilots who are required to register their drone must operate in accordance with the final rule on remote ID, starting September 16, 2023. Now, let's talk about some specific drones. Take the Mavic 3 Enterprise, for instance. This drone is already equipped with built-in standard remote ID and is supported on imaging flight. What about other drones like the Phantom 4 Pro or the Mavic 2 Pro? Well, these drones can be retrofitted with an aftermarket remote ID module. These modules are separate devices that can be attached to the drone to provide the necessary identification and location information. It's crucial to select a module that will fit your needs and meet the FAA's requirements for remote ID. We understand these changes may be daunting, but we're here to guide you through the transition and ensure your drones are compliant with the new regulations. By complying with remote ID, we're all contributing to a safer and more secure airspace. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, we're here to help you navigate these changes. Thanks for trusting Loveland Innovations with your drone operations, and fly safe.